Another Banggood box delivered open. So that's a bummer. Let's pull this out and see if everything's okay though. So I'm a sucker. I saw another deal running on the ZD Racing Thunder SC10 and I jumped on it. So this is number 2. Picked up a blue one. Here's the manual, servo savers. In here we also have the box with the transmitter and the charger. Let me get this open. So this does come with a Jumbo RC rebranded transmitter controller. These are, I think, one of the best value ones. Great response. Only take 4 AA batteries compared to the budget FlySky. Comes with a EU plug adapter. So in here we have the charger. These are great, as I've mentioned in my other ones unboxings, because they have a 3S and a 2S charge port. And then cool that it has a US plug, as I'm based in the US. So let's take a look at this. I'm just glad that nothing looks damaged. This is actually a pretty cool blue. I think it looks better than how the picture looked, so this is pretty awesome. Let me pull this body off. I believe it's a 3000 3650 3650 3000 kV brushless motor. I think that's a 50 amp ESC, and I'm pretty happy. This isn't damaged at all, and you guys saw in my other video with the black and red one, this thing's a blast. Had a great park day. Got some cool video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, I was that big of a fan of these that I decided to pick up another one when I saw the sale running. This one, for a couple days they had it posted down for like 117. Shipped was like 130. So yeah, I jumped on it. It was, I think, $20 cheaper than the first one, and even at that price I think this is a great buy. Really fun, really capable, and I labeled it a great competitor to the feiyue FY08 for really not much more. I know it's a little bit bigger, but I think you do get quite a bit more. Oil chocks, comes with the 2S LiPo battery. I think it's a 2400 milliamp. Downside is it's just a 25C discharge, but it's still cool that it's a full-size battery, full-size battery tray. So yeah, bummed about how it came shipped. I think the box came in better condition than the first one, but just glad that nothing was busted inside. So thanks for watching.